Imagine you're watching a huge construction project, like a skyscraper being built. At first, you see different people working: designers, engineers, architects, builders. They each have their own roles and tasks, but it's clear they're all following the same blueprint. Now, if each team followed a different blueprint, you'd expect the building to be chaotic, maybe even impossible to finish, with parts not fitting together or floors collapsing. But when there's one plan and one vision, everything comes together harmoniously to complete the building just as intended. Now, let's think about this concept on a bigger scale: our universe. Everything in the universe, from planets and stars to the air we breathe, seems to work in harmony. Each element follows precise laws and patterns. Gravity, for instance, operates the same way whether it's pulling the moon around Earth or keeping your feet on the ground. The sun rises and sets with exact predictability. The seasons change at the same times every year. And living beings are born and grow in similarly structured ways. This kind of unity suggests that, like the skyscraper, everything is following a single blueprint or design plan. If multiple independent forces or creators were at work, each with its own idea of how things should be, we'd expect clashes. The laws governing the sun, for example, might conflict with those of the Earth, leading to chaos. Planets might veer off course, life cycles would be unstable, and there would be constant disorder. But the reality is the opposite. Everything is in balance. The more we look, the more we see this unified order, extending across vast and small details alike, from the way atoms hold together to the way galaxies spin. This harmonious, predictable order strongly suggests a single source, a singular force behind it all. Because if multiple creators with different wills were involved, we would see disunity and competition within the creation itself. Just like we'd expect if multiple architects with conflicting blueprints tried to build a skyscraper. The consistency we observe, on the other hand, points to one architect, one designer, one source. Consider, too, that the single unified design brings about the complexity of life itself. Think about a phone's software. It's layered and intricate, but has one central code that makes it run. If there were different codes, they would collide, and the phone wouldn't function. Just as one code runs a phone smoothly, one unified source, or creator, must be behind the universe to bring about such balance and order. So when we look at the world around us and see everything working seamlessly, it's logical to conclude there's one creator behind it all, just as one blueprint makes a skyscraper possible. One creator makes this vast, complex, and beautiful universe operate in harmony.